It's 15th of August 2026. It's Independence Day today. Time is 5:41 p.m. right now. I'm going back to home. The day was good, I would say. Not because the way I planned it, but because the way I let it happen. I have balloons, two balloons. One is burst, also with the smartwatch today. So I went to library. We were there. There was flag hosting. It happened. It was like 11:30. A boy came and asked me. I was sitting just there after the flag hosting and sweets, eating sweets. So boy came and asked me to go to a small kids school, just near to 100 meters away from our library. And I went there, and because kids are so good to watch things, like the way they are doing things, or the way they don't care about the people. That's for sure thing, because I observed it also today that they don't care who is looking at us. The boys or the students who don't care how they are looking at the stage or who are looking at them, they perform better than the students who cared and saw the people who were watching them. So that's the difference between the performance of them. It was joyful to see the kids and their performances. Then there was also medal ceremony for also them. Like the students who perform good in exams were also getting rewards and all the things. It was good. I was clapping very heartfully, very loudly also. I was shouting also. Here always video gets better because of the tree. Every time I record, video gets better. Now it's dull. When I was at near tree, it was good. But it's okay. So I thought I would roam around anywhere to see how everybody celebrated, but I didn't did that. Half of the time went into our library, then I spent 1 hour or 1 hour at kids school. Also a few videos also, but not to be said here, I think. And then I was sitting in library, watched few things normally the day. And then I'm going back home from tomorrow. It's the same day again. Very few days to be celebrated, and it was. There was also people were like joking about these things that, oh man, like those who say that India got independence after 2014, people were like joking to them that, oh, India, it's 12th of Independence Day. But actually it was 80th. It's been 80 years of our independence. No. If it was 80th, then it's been 79 years of our independence. What I want to say that if it's 80th of Independence Day, then it must be 79 years of our independence, because the first time we celebrated Independence Day was the 1947. So we celebrated on the day one after the year one day one. So you get it what I have to say. The day was good. It was not sunny very much, but it was sunny at the noon time, like at around 12 or 1 p.m. But it's now cold. Going back home. Oh, okay. See this then. something rare. I don't know how will I be able to show, but yeah. What I want to show is the train. I am also seeing it for the first time how it is. No, it can't be zoomed, but you can see it is something like net, but like, and it is written as the car carrier. Yes, yes, the car carrier. Auto links the car carrier. Oh, it's quite big. So it is a car carrier van, but I don't think cars are transported by like such a like they are transported but in a hidden manner, not in such way. I don't know what's that. Maybe car can be referred to something else. Car may be cargo, but not that cargo can't be. Maybe something else. So this was the Independence Day after the CJP protest. First time. If I do this, one left. All the boys came from the library. There were not so much people, but I was there. I don't have something planned at home, so it's better to be out. I planned to go somewhere, but I didn't go, as we always want to be in our comfort zone, don't want to explore, but I must needed to explore. Huge mistake, but it's okay. Now I'll go home. Okay, let me tell you. So the last video that I uploaded was about me going to college for the bona fide. I went there, I got the bona fide, I came back. It was total 3 hour process. 1 hour going, 1 hour in the college, and 1 hour coming back. I got my roll number. I got joined in the college. In the college WhatsApp channel. Most of the colleges make groups, but in our college they make channel. I don't know why. They don't want people to send anything. They just want to send things by themselves. It's their way. Oh, the third one also burst. Bad. Thank you. Have a good day. Let's go home. Eat something. The food at the children's school was quite good. 2 puris, sabji, and jalebi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Ismail Und. Thank you.